Gone home, unpacking the phrase. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase in the English language, gone home. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what it means and how to use it in sentences. Gone home consists of two words. Gone, this is the past participle of the verb go. It indicates a completed action. Home. This is a noun referring to a place where someone lives. Together, the phrase describes someone who has already traveled to their place of residence. It's like saying, she has gone to her house. Understanding a phrase also involves understanding how it's used in context. Let's look at some examples. 1. In a casual context. Where is Lisa? She's gone home. 2. At the workplace. Can I speak with Mr. Smith? Sorry, he's gone home for the day. 3. At school. Is Jake still in the classroom? No, he has gone home already. Sometimes, people can get confused about how to use gone home. Let's clear up some common misunderstandings. 1. Gone to home. This is incorrect. The right way to say it is gone home, without the word to. 2. Using it in the present. Saying, she is going home, is different from, she has gone home. The first one indicates the action is happening now, while the second one indicates the action has already been completed. To expand your vocabulary and understanding, here are a few similar phrases. 1. Headed home. This means someone is on their way home but hasn't arrived yet. 2. On my way home. This is another way to say someone is traveling to their home but isn't there yet. Understanding the phrase, gone home, and its usage can help you communicate more effectively in English. Remember, language is all about practice, so try using this phrase in your conversations. We hope this video has shed light on this common English phrase. Happy learning!